there to enjoy them.
But the pet carried on through gentrification until the coronavirus. Diaz says that was the coda for the club.
The pet cannot be sale, and the decision is final. There's not going to be a GoFundMe that's going to reverse our choice. We just want to be clear about that. It's very intimate to us, and we're just ready to close that chapter and keep it with us.
The building and its famous cantina side remain as historic landmarks. Now, they're a reminder of the jazz hotspot that once was. For NPR News, I'm Monica Castillo.
You're listening to Weekend Edition from NPR News. And now it's time for sports. If sports are usually a distraction from everyday life, this year, no. From protests against racial injustice and police brutality to a pandemic that upended everything, the world of sports very much reflected this difficult year. And Howard Bryant of ESPN is here to talk about what we've seen and what it could mean for 2021. Good morning, Howard.
Good morning. Happy holidays.
You too. Let's start with the protests. That period when we saw football, soccer, basketball, tennis players all boycotting games. In historical context, how momentous, how noteworthy was that?
Well, it was enormous. It was one thing that we had never seen before. We had seen all kinds of different sort of protests, whether it was Colin Kaepernick on the field or whether we saw it was in 1968 with Tommy Smith and John Carlos. We've seen certain gestures of protest. This was the first time we'd seen a coordinated walkout across sports. And I think that what was really fascinating about it was there were numerous people over the course of the year that felt like the players didn't go far enough. So it does portend the possibility once more that the players are going to take even greater steps depending on what happens in 2021. And I also feel too that once more it was the female athletes that really took the lead on this, just like they have over the past 5 years. And whether it was the WNBA, whether it was Naomi Osaka in tennis, they really did drive this conversation in a way that I don't know if it completely reflected what we saw over the course of the year, but if you were really paying attention, you sort of saw who the leaders were.
You know, earlier this month, the U.S. Olympic and Paralympic Committee announced it will not sanction athletes who protest at the rescheduled Olympic Games this summer. What's your reaction to that decision?
Well, I think my reaction was, at some point when you look at where we've been this year and where we've been over the last several years, it's very, very difficult for these governing bodies to continue to crack down on these athletes. Are they paying attention to where we are in this culture and where we are in this country? And so I saw a lot of athletes and a lot of sources come to me telling me what a fantastic thing this was, but I also saw it in a different way, which was to say it's common sense and this sort of top-down governance wasn't